Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume of the beep sound on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make the beep sound just a bit dimmer. How do you actually go ahead and change the volume of it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is navigate to where it says Settings, scroll down to where it says System, and then scroll down to where it says Beep and Light. So this is a really important step, guys. Where it says beep sound, go ahead and click on volume, and then this is where you can adjust the volume of your beep sound. So you can do high, medium, or low. In addition to that, you could actually go ahead and mute the beep sound as well. So if you want to go ahead and mute the beep sound, you just want to go ahead and toggle this on. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the volume of the beep sound on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.